A DPF, a diesel particulate filter, is a device that captures and stores exhaust soot. Exhaust soot is a consequence of us not being able to burn the fuel completely. This magical device is constantly being monitored by the ECU, and from time to time it will be heated up to 650 degrees, allowing for all of the stuff that is inside to be burned. The DPF is a passive filter, doesn't have feelings, doesn't have any moving parts, and it's not the cause of all your problems. When you are experiencing problems regarding the DPF, you need to investigate what is happening with your engine, and you need to investigate if you're having extremely bad driving habits. The DPF is fitted very close to your engine, looks like a muffler with all sorts of sensors going in, and it is something that is quite bulky and visible. The more complex your vehicle is, the newer your vehicle is, this system might feature an injector for AdBlue and another filter called an SCR. When you are having problems with your DPF, in the first instances, don't panic. These filters can be cleaned, and also in the first instances, these problems are reflecting the fact that you're not driving your car enough, allowing it to perform its regeneration cycles.